Hey everybody, it's Jamie and Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Shqde Maker.
The Shqde Maker.
Yeah, sounds mysterious.
It's
It's not that mysterious. It's got bourbon and pineapple juice and coconut. So we're going to put 3 ounces of, this is for 2 drinks, so 3 ounces of bourbon.
Bourbon. 1, 2, 3.
Good. We haven't used bourbon a lot lately.
No,
So we're going back to bourbon a little bit.
bourbon.
And then we're going to go 3 ounces of coconut milk.
This is gonna be strange.
Yeah.
3 ounces coconut milk.
And then we're going in with the pineapple. So 2 ounces of pineapple.
2 ounces pineapple juice.
Yep. And then we've got 1.5 ounces of lemon juice.
Why don't you go ahead there?
Okay. And 1 ounce of simple syrup.
1 ounce sweetener.
Yeah, just sweeten her up a bit, and then Jamie's going to shake it. Oh, nice. We've got a couple of glasses here with ice. You could also do this in a blender. Obviously, we crush the ice up.
It's kind of like a Pina Colada, but with bourbon.
Yeah. Were you throwing me some shade there? All right, the Shqde Maker. Let's have a look. Strain it. Ooh, it looks festive, sort of. Looks like they should have some cinnamon on top of that or something like.
Let's give it a try first.
Okay,
The Shqde Maker.
Shqde Maker. It is kind of like a pina colada with bourbon.
It's a lot of lemon juice.
I don't mind that. I like tart, so.
I don't know how I feel about that.
The fact that I like a tart,
No, the drink.
I don't mind that at all. It's not. I mean, it is definitely like a pina colada, except
Yeah.
a little bit more tart, and with obviously with bourbon. It's not a real strong bourbon drink, so you don't.
Actually, I think I could keep drinking that.
Now all of a sudden, you like it. The more you drink it, the more you like it. The Shqde Maker. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.